A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
When you know who you are, whose you are, and what is your purpose. When you know who you be, whose you be, and where you come here for, you don't have to big up yourself. What you have to do is just serve. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, share it with all of your friends. And of course, if you don't do it already, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus has come to John chapter 13 from verse 1 to verse 20. Now, I did just before the Passover holiday, and Jesus did know say the time when he would have left the world and go to him Father did come. Him did love them where did a fame in the world. And that time, he showed them how him did really, really love them. Supper did a serve, and the devil did done put it in a Judas, Simon boy pitney, heart we sell out Jesus. No, Jesus did know say the Father did give him power over everything that a God him come from, and that a God him a go back to. So he get up from around the table, take off his robe and wrap one towel round his waist. After he do that day, he throw water in a one basin and start to wash him follower them foot. Him then dry them off with the towel when he wrap round his waist. When he catch a Simon Peter tell him say, Lord, you go wash for me foot them? So Jesus said to him, say, you know, get what me I do right here now, but you will understand after they sit near happen. Peter said, no, sir, you're not going to wash me foot them. But Jesus answered him, say, if me not wash you, you not have no lot and part with me. So Simon Peter said, Lord, no only wash me foot them, wash me head and hand them too. Jesus answered and say, somebody will be there ready. Only have to wash him foot. Cause him whole body would have clean already. Uno clean, but I know all uno clean. Him says so. Cause he don't know the one where they go sell him out. And that make him say, I know all uno clean. When Jesus done washing follower them foot, him put on back in robe and go sit down around the table. Him then ask them, say, uno get where me this do to no? Uno call me teacher, and uno call me Lord, and uno right, call me a that for true. No, if me, we are uno Lord and uno teacher, wash uno foot, uno must wash uno one another foot too. Me a set example for uno follow. When me do for uno fi do for uno one another. Me a tell uno fi true. No servant no bigger than a master, and no messenger no bigger than the somebody we send him. If you understand and do the insomnia, when me I say, God, I go bless you. When me I say, and about all I know, me don't know which one I know me pick already. But what God would say, if it come true, it said that the somebody when yam for me own a bread turn against me. Me I tell you then sit here no before they happen, so that when them do happen, when we believe, say me who me say me be. If true, me I tell you say, anybody will take in the somebody missing, take me in too. And anybody will take me in, take in the one will send me come. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.